चालू हो जाएगा। दबाएंगे।
We welcome Professor Vandana Nana to our colony. Welcome, madam. I request Vidhi to please put the badges. In meantime, I request kids to come over here for national anthem. Sorry, Atharu. Yeah, just here. Each. भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की नेशनल एंथम शुरू करें।
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाए तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की। Thank you, बच्चों। I welcome Vidhi to please welcome. Vidhi, Karande will give a bouquet to chief guest. On behalf of Tara Colony, I welcome our chief guest, Professor Vandana Nana. To begin with, let me introduce you all, Professor Vandana Nana. She is a senior professor and a chair of Department of Nuclear and Atomic Physics in Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TFR, our mother institute. She is also a joint chair at BRC TFR Electronic Facility and a leading woman scientist in India. She has done her BSc from Bhopal College in 1996. Later on continuing with MSc in Physics in Pune University. After that, she has done PhD at TFR in 1994 and did her. She was a visiting fellow at Argonne National Laboratory, USA from 95 to 98. She then joined TFR in 1998 and continuing. Her research interests range from nuclear physics, accelerator physics to interdisciplinary areas with emphasis on detector development. She is leading the national effort of feasibility study of search of neutrinos, neutrinoless double beta decay. She has a collaboration over national and international with Indo-French. She has given various seminars and international conferences, visited many labs across the globe. She is a part of a public outreach of TFR and given lectures at colleges promoting science interest. She is also a unit level safety committee member for particle accelerators, which is a part of BRC. The most important, she is featured in She Is 75 Women in STEM as an exemplary role model. She is also a joint convener of TFR Vigyan Vidushi program for women MSc students, and she was a former chair of IPA Gender in Physics Working Group. It's a brief introduction of her. So once again, we welcome her to our conference. To begin with, I would first like to invite some kids from our colony to give a small speech. So to start with, I will call Advait Shinde. Advait Shinde? Yeah. Please welcome Advait with a round
Family, my name is Ritwik Sinu Shinde. I study in Malwati Khatli A. I wish you all a happy Republic Day. Republic Day is our national festival. I love my Indian Constitution. We respect the whole Constitution. Jai Bharat, thank you.
जोरदार तालियां, जोरदार तालियां. Thank you, Madhuri.
Everyone and happy Republic Day. My name is Tanveer Radhanpadi. We all know that we are sitting here for celebrating our Republic Day. It is our 77th Republic Day we are celebrating. We all know that January 26 is a special day in our India. On this day, 1950, our country became Republic. It means that the people of India choose to govern ourselves and make our own decisions. In 1950, India adopted a constitution republic. Our constitution guides us to justice, equality and liberty for all. Our constitution written by the great leader like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We celebrate the Republic Day to remember the sacrifices of the freedom fighters. On the top of our national flag, the saffron color stands for courage and strength. In the middle band, the white color stands for truth and peace. In the center of our national flag, the Ashoka Chakra representing its duty. In the bottom of our national flag, the green color stands for growth and prosperity. I wish you all very happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
রাজা আমাদের এই রাজার রাজত্বে নইলে মোদের রাজার সনে মিলব কি সত্যে আমরা সবাই রাজা আমরা যা খুশি তাই করি তবু তার খুশিতেই চরি আমরা নই বাধা নয় দাসের রাজার ত্রাসের দাসত্বে নইলে মোদের রাজার সনে মিলব কি সত্যে আমরা সবাই রাজা Honorable Chief Guest, respected seniors and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all present here. As you all know, today we have gathered here this lovely morning to celebrate one of the most important days in the history of our nation, Republic Day. Every year we proudly remember this day when India adopted its constitution in 1950 and became a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Republic Day is not just a national holiday. It is a reminder of our identity as Indians, our hard-earned freedom and our duty as citizens. After gaining independence on 15th of August 1947, India still needed a strong framework to govern itself. This dream was fulfilled on 26 January 1950 when the Constitution of India came into force. It is the longest written constitution in the world and it guarantees justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to all its citizens. Republic Day teaches us that true freedom is not only freedom from foreign rule, but freedom with responsibility. The India we live in today is the result of the visions, sacrifice and courage of many great leaders. Among them, the contributions of Swami Vivekananda, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar are unforgettable. Swami Vivekananda was not just a freedom fighter in the battlefield, but was a freedom fighter in the mind and the soul. At a time when Indians lacked confidence due to years of colonial rule, he showed the world of India's rich spiritual and cultural heritage. His speech in the Parliament of Religions in Chicago in 1893 made Indians all over the world proud. He believed that youth are the real builders of the nation. His powerful message, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached, continues to guide students to this day. He taught us that education should build character, not just careers. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was one of the earliest leaders to demand for complete freedom from the British rule. He believed that freedom was not a gift, but his right. His historic declaration, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," ignited the spirit of nationalism among the common people. He used festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi and Shiv Jayanti to unite the common people and spread patriotic ideas. When we speak of bravery and sacrifice, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose stands tall in history. Through the formation of the Indian National Army, he showed that Indians were ready to fight for their freedom. He believed that freedom required action, discipline, and sacrifice. His slogans, "Give me blood and I'll give you freedom," and "Jai Hind," continue to ignite the spirit of nationalism among common people. He proved that discipline, determination, and fearlessness can change the course of history. While many leaders fought for political freedom, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar fought for social freedom and equality. He was the chairman of the drafting committee, and he played a crucial role in forming the constitution. He made sure that India was a nation where every citizen was equal before the law, no matter their caste, their religion, their gender, or their economic background. Dear friends, freedom took centuries of struggle and sacrifice to achieve. But maintaining freedom is even more challenging. Today's generation has a huge responsibility to value unity in diversity, to respect the Constitution, to use technology wisely, to protect our environment, and to stand against corruption, discrimination, and violence. India is one of the youngest nations in the world. The power of the nation lies in the youth. So, if the youth are disciplined, hardworking, and ethical, India is sure to become a global leader. We should remember that a powerful country needs a powerful character. Progress needs innovation with values, and a democracy needs active and aware citizens. So, on this proud occasion of Republic Day, let us take a pledge to be responsible citizens, to follow the ideals of our national leaders, to respect our national symbols, and to work together to make India a prosperous, peaceful, and nation. Let us not think what India can do for us, but what we can do for our nation. I would like to conclude my speech with these words. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Wonderful, Sonesh. May I now request our chief guest to please address our colleague and say a few words.
After Soresh's speech, it's going to be very difficult to talk. So, first of all, thank you very much for inviting me here. It's a great pleasure and honor for me. Of course, I meet many of you at the work. बरेच जण मला ऑफिसमध्ये भेटतात, पण त्यांच्या कुटुंबियांबद्दल बरोबर पण भेटण्याचा आज संधी मिळाली, ही पण चांगली गोष्ट आहे. आणि खरोखरच म्हणजे आय थिंक दिस इज अ गुड ऑनर. त्यांनी खूप मोठी इंट्रोडक्शन दिली, त्याची गरज आहे. मी त्यांनी मला संजयने विचारलं ते इंट्रोडक्शन द्या, तेव्हा म्हटलं तुम्ही सांगा मॅडम, खूप रागावतात. तेच ते सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे आणि सगळ्यांना सांगायला ते सोपं आहे. एक जोक्स अपार्ट, कमिंग बॅक टू द रिपब्लिक डे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्या सगळ्यांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आणि आपण तो का साजरा करतो हे आता इतक्या समर्पकपणे या छोट्या मुलांनी सांगितलं, हीच खूप मोठी समाधानाची बाब आहे. कारण आपण या आपल्या स्वातंत्र्यासाठी आणि आपल्या देशाच्या जडणघडणीसाठी ज्या ज्या लोकांनी प्रयत्न केले त्यांचं स्मरण म्हणून आणि त्यांच्यापासून स्फूर्ती घेऊन पुढे काहीतरी करण्यासाठी आपण हा कार्यक्रम करतो. आणि आजची जी आपली ही सगळ्यात तरुण पिढी किंवा जे बालपिढीच आहे त्यांचे जर विचार इतके स्पष्ट आहेत आणि त्यांच्याकडूनच आपल्याला शिकण्यासारखं आहे. त्यांनी जे आता सांगितलं त्यामुळे देशाचं भविष्य आपल्या खूप उज्ज्वल आहे, या बाबतीत अजिबात शंका नाही. आपण देशसेवा जेव्हा आपण म्हणतो तेव्हा प्रत्येकजण हमारे पास जो है व्हाट वी कैन डू वी शुड डू वेल. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. So we all know TIFR, we are like a one big family. You know, hardly any of us thinks it as a like a regular government job, सरकारी नोकरी. आपल्याला आपल्या कामाबद्दल सगळ्यांनाच खूप प्रेम आहे आणि त्यामुळे आपण जे करतो त्याचं एवढी सगळं चांगलं आपलं सायन्स इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये होऊ शकतं, कारण सगळ्यांचा त्यात खूप सहभाग असतो. किंवा आपण ज्या गोष्टी करतो त्यातून आपल्या रोजच्या वागण्यातून आपल्या घरातल्या छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टीपासून आपल्याला आपण सुरुवात करतो. आणि मी पुन्हा एकदा सांगते की आपण या मुलांकडनंच आपण आता हे धडे घ्यायला पाहिजेत की आता आपल्याला वातावरणाचा प्रश्न, प्रदूषणाचा प्रश्न हे आपल्यासाठी खूप भेडसावत आहेत आणि ही आपली जबाबदारी आहे की आपल्या पुढच्या पिढ्यांसाठी आपण आपल्याला जशी छान पृथ्वी आणि जग मिळालं त्याच्यापेक्षाही चांगलं पुढ्यासाठी ते राहिलं पाहिजे याची कारण आपण जबाबदारी आपण घेतली पाहिजे. पुन्हा एकदा सगळ्यांना शुभेच्छा आणि बोलवल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you very much. Generally, 26 January, Republic Day, we celebrate as a fantastic festival in our colony. So this festival actually starts from 2 weeks back, and we arrange lots of programs over here. So if you see, there are a lot of drawings and painting. So we organize various painting competition for students, even for employees, adults. We arrange programs, even for the whole day. Today there's a whole program. After this, there's a sports, then there's a get together, lunch, dinner. Till late in the evening, the whole program goes on. So we celebrate at a very large scale as one of the big events of this colony. In that relation, we have organized some various sports and competitions for the children. And I request our chief guest to please honor all children with gifts. So I request her to please come here. And I request Sheetal to please take over and announce the winners list.
Drawing and color competition. First group Balvatika 1 to Balvatika 3. Winner first number is Manas Kurade.
Big round of applause for the kids. Please encourage them by clapping. Please encourage small kids.
On the back side there are the drawing and coloring. Second number Samar.
Thank you. तालियां बजनी चाहिए, तालियां बजनी चाहिए. प्लीज बच्चों को एनकरेज करिए, ये हमारे भविष्य है.
Second group first and second standard coloring. First number Gargi. Second number Srini. Third group drawing, standard 3rd and 4th. Winner is Vedshi.
जोरदार तालियां.
Second number Savni.
Thank you.
Next group, standard 5th and 6th. First number is Tanvi. Second number Darpan.
जोरदार तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. सारे बच्चों के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए.
Next group, Standard 7, drawing and coloring competition. First number is Saurish. Can you show your drawing? Second number Kaustuv.
तालियों के लिए रिमाइंडर है, तालियां बजनी चाहिए, हमने सबके लिए नाश्ता रखा है,
Next,
तालियां बजनी चाहिए।
first number is Sumit. Second number Tir. Take care. Now sports competition. Group 1. First race is ball race. Winner is Ajvit. Ajvit. Second number Rudraj. There is one more competition for this group. Winner is again first number again Advit. Second number again Rudraj. Next group first, standard first and second.
तालियां 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 जोरदार।
Yuga.
जल्दी जल्दी लोकर
Second number runner-up Shrehan.
तालियां तालियां तालियां
Next race.
सब हुई
Winner is
तालियां।
Arohi. Runner-up is Srini. Next group, standard third and fourth. Winner is Ved.
नहीं
Runner-up is Savni. Okay. Next race, winner is Alek. Runner-up is Ved.
तालियां
Next group, standard 5 and 6. Winner is Atharva. Runner-up is Tanvi. Next race, standard 5 and 6. Winner is Harshal. Runner-up is Avyan. Next group, standard 7. First race. Winner is Shaurish. Runner-up is Siddharth. Next race, winner is Shlok. Runner-up is Saurish again. group standard 8 to 10. First race winner is Anindya. Runner-up Sumit. Winner is again Sumit. Runner-up is Steve.
Thank you very much. Now I request Mr. Karande to give a vote of thanks.
प्रोफेसर वंदना नाणार, मी जवळजवळ 25 वर्ष आपण एकत्र काम करतोय आणि खूप चांगलं काम करतोय. त्यामुळे इंडियाची बेस्ट नॅशनल फॅसिलिटी चालू आहे, यात वादच नाही. त्यात तुमचं नेतृत्व तर आहेच आहे, लोकांची मेहनतही आहे, पण तुमचं नेतृत्व खरोखर लाभदायक आहे. त्यासाठी थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. मी इथे उभा आहे तुमचा थँक्यू बोलण्यासाठी की तुम्ही वेळात वेळ काढून आमच्या या कार्यक्रमासाठी आलात आणि एवढा वेळ दिलात, त्याबद्दल खूप खूप धन्यवाद. तारा कॉलनी तुमचं नेहमी आभारी राहील. थँक्यू. आणि याच्यानंतर आपण सगळ्यांनी चहा पाण्याचं हे करायचं.
रुक रुक रुक.
अगोदर उभं राहायचं.
जिंदगी